Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate your Claude projects. So before we get into this, I just want to preface, there currently is no built-in duplicate feature in Claude. You're going to have to do at least some of this very manually. So to get started, just go ahead and open up your projects tab and look for the project you would like to duplicate. So let's say this is the one I would like to duplicate. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to have to copy the instructions, which you can open up by clicking on this small pencil icon here at the top right. So you're going to be able to see your project memory. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and open up my notepad and paste it in. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same for the instructions. And now I should be ready to start duplicating. If you also have any files in your project, go ahead and take note of what files you have. That way, the upload process is really simple. So go ahead and go to your projects tab. I'm just going to get rid of some of these. And there we go. Go ahead and click on your project. And I'll just call this duplicate for now. And now I should be able to start transferring some of the things. So I'm going to go ahead and add the instructions that we just copied.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
Like so, I'm going to click on save instructions. I'm going to start uploading the files that I had in the other project. And the tricky part comes with the memory, because memory only updates via the chat. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to want to write a short prompt before I paste in the memories. So I want you to create a memory including this chat. The memory should include the following pertinent information, which is already optimized for your use. Then I'm going to hit Shift Enter a few times on my keyboard to introduce some line breaks, and I'm just going to paste in the memory that I copied. So now if I hit Enter, this should start working. As you can see, managing memory. So Claude was able to pick up on what it needs to do very easily. And now it's saving it. There we go. I've added 5 memory entries covering your purpose. If we go back to the project tab, we should be able to see the memory show up here. Well, right now, it doesn't appear to be instantly updating. Looks like I'll still need to chat with this particular project a little bit more before it shows. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. All it takes is a little patience and some simple copy and paste operations. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.